Hey, what's up guys? I'm Ryan Bossery from RyWire, and today we are doing something pretty cool and I wanted to show everyone. We are 3D scanning some of our bumpers so we can adjust them to make it look a little bit more EV, quote unquote. So I think it's gonna be pretty cool. All right, we got Cody over here from Casale Designs, and he is using his 3D scanner to scan our bumper. Believe it or not, this is actually baby powder spray on a black bumper. And the reason why we had to do this is because the scanner really only picks up on a kind of a harsher surface. That black, kind of factory slick surface doesn't really work very well. So Cody is scanning it right now, and he just set up his computer here at the shop, and he's just trying to just started the first bit of the rear bumper. The goal here is to actually delete these exhaust tip sections. So I think that cleaning this up will really give it more of like an EV look. So I'm excited to see how this looks. All right guys, so Cody's working on that right now. It's pretty crazy to see how fast the scanning process really is. So as he explained, basically what he's gonna do is he's gonna take this raw file. It's not gonna be perfect, but he's able to clean it up basically in this 3D software, and he'll be able to have a perfect working sample of that. Then we can 3D print it in plastic, like an injection plastic, like molding process, I guess, like a 3D printer. And then we can take that and we can make a mold with that, and then we can make products, or we could just make a one-off part like in this case. So pretty exciting. I'll try to keep you guys updated on this. So right now we are uploading and generating a point cloud, and then after the point cloud it's going to turn into a mesh. So I'll show you guys what it looks like once it's mesh. Sweet. Look at that. Exhaust pipe deletes. Alright, so for the front of the car, we're spraying some baby powder now, and we're actually using, as a donor vehicle, we're using my Daily S2000. So let me show you guys that. So yeah, Cody is spraying the magical baby powder on my Daily. It's also got an AP2 bumper, so it's perfect. And we are just trying to give it that knockdown from that gloss that the scanner can't really pick up. So pretty perfect. Start now. All right, so we're starting to scan the front bumper. We're actually using, again, we're using my Daily driver here as a reference. So we got all the baby powder on there, and I got Cody over here scanning, and you guys can see it going. Pretty cool. And then you can see kind of what we're working with on the screen.